How to zoom in and out a video in the CapCut app. So if you have a video and you want to partially zoom in and out of the video, I'm going to show you how you can do this using the CapCut app. Let's get started. Firstly, just open up the app on your Android or iOS device, it doesn't matter. And while you are in the Edit section, tap New Project on the top. With this tab, you will access your gallery, so just go ahead and scroll through your videos to find the one you wish to zoom in and out. I'm gonna use this one, for example. Let's click Add, and this is my video. So let's say I want to zoom out from this moment. So what I'm gonna do, now let's zoom in actually first. Let's zoom into the journal. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna tap on the video. So we need to select it first. And then on the top, right above the timeline, we'll see diamond with the plus. This is basically keyframe. So you need to tap on it on the part from which you wish to start zooming in or out. Basically, this creates like this red diamond. This is our start point. In this point, we'll freeze the video. And then we need to choose to which part it will be zoomed in or out. Let's say to here, I want to zoom in. So I'm gonna create this second keyframe. And now we just need to go ahead and put our line to this second keyframe and zoom in to the part. So let's just check how it will look. This is the original video, and from this moment to this moment it will zoom in. But after the second keyframe it is still zoomed in. So to zoom out, we just need to go ahead and put the keyframe at the very end of the video. And also just zoom out using the pinch gesture. Let me just adjust the size to make it perfect. And now let's check the result. So I'm gonna tap on play. And now it's zooming in. And from here it's zooming out. And also this last part you can just delete. So yeah, just tap on export after that and your video will be saved to the gallery. Let's go ahead and open the gallery. And this is my video zoomed in and out. That's it. Don't forget to hit subscribe to see more useful content.